Hey everyone, I was gifted this cordless portable vacuum by Teendow for my honest review. I'm excited to show you how it works. First off, you want to make sure it's fully charged. I love how it can stand on its own and it can be plugged in directly to the charger and it will blink green when it's charging, and it shows you how much battery it has and will tell you when it's done charging. For standard vacuuming, all I have to do is attach the extension rod and it clicks into place, and see how long it is? And then attach the main vacuum brush to the other end. And you'll hear it click as well. To get started, all you have to do is press the power button. It'll tell you how much power you have. The vacuum is a great length, even for my tall self, and I love the light on the vacuum. It helps me find all the dust and dirt. You can change the speed from low to medium to high. Look at those brushes move. It's good at vacuuming all kinds of carpets and tile, as well as hardwoods. And look how I can get under this couch. I mean, I've never been able to get under this couch before. I love this. And that light really illuminates all the areas so I can find all the dirt. And because that brush head can rotate 90 degrees, I can really get in the toughest crevices and corners, including under my dining room table with all those chairs. This vacuum is great with thin rugs, thick rugs, as well as carpets. It has many attachments, including this pet hair one where you can actually brush your dog with this thing. It also comes with an upholstery attachment so that you can easily vacuum your couch or your upholsteries. It also comes with a hose attachment, including this handy dandy brush so that you can get in tough crevices. This would be great for your car. To empty the dirt canister, simply press the red button. The lid will open up and you can easily pour it into your trash can. Look at all the dirt, dust, and cat hair it collected in like 5 minutes. So I highly recommend this cordless portable vacuum by Teendow just because of how compact it is and how easy it is to swap out the attachments and how this thing can get under any nook and cranny.